Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my god, I got a lot to tell you guys, a lot to congratulate and thank you guys for. So we're gonna be doing a makeup video today. I have to get cute, so let's get right into this video. Let me first take time, okay, to thank you guys because I finally reached 100 subscribers. I have 10 milestones I'm trying to accomplish to get to 1,000 subscribers. So we have 10 I was gonna say modules, y'all. 10 milestones. She's watching me not say that. 10 milestones I want to break. So I broke the first one. So road to 200. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for subscribing. I'm so excited. I'm happy people like my content. And it makes me excited. So now I want to make more content for you guys. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you guys what's been going on because y'all don't understand what I've been through. I'm talking about car accident, mediocre work. So let's just get right into this look. Okay, I'm going to start off. Actually, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. That's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to moisturize my face while I chat with y'all. I feel like it's been so long. I think it's been like, what, last week? I didn't do anything this week, did I? I think I uploaded Monday. I don't know. It's been a while though for me. So yeah, y'all. I was in a little mini car accident. Somebody merged into me while I was driving, and it was a little freak. Like, it scared me a little bit because I'm a new driver. I'm a very safe driver, and I don't need that. So I'm getting that stuff taken care of right now. People really piss me off on the road, y'all. I'm like, people cannot drive whatsoever. So I did my brows the best I could because I wasn't really trying to make eyes. I was like, let me just do these things. And I set them with my concealer and my powder, y'all. So I'm going to actually go in with my eyeshadow. I like doing my eyebrows on camera. It makes stuff so much easier. So I'm going to take my 35M Morphe palette because I want to use the Express Yourself Stroke of Luck and Light of the Party. And that right here, my friends, are these three colors. Trying to make sure I'm touching them. These three. Okay. So yeah. Anyways, y'all. With that, I've been training, and I'll be training Monday, so I'm free right now. Today, tomorrow, and the weekend. So I will be making videos all 4 days. So y'all gonna send me a lot because I'm trying to go on because I have 3 days of training next week. It's just so I don't have to be rushing. And then when I get my schedule for work, I will actually have to make a schedule to record. So yeah. Y'all, this is why I just need to come on because I want my own brand. Just so I don't have to do work. I don't want to work a regular job. So this is a color and it's very vibrant. I really hope it looks like this on my eyes. I used it before. I think I used a lighter one before. But this eyeshadow is really smooth, so I'm really hoping it'll do good. But I'm going to put, like, in the front part, the shimmer color a little bit. Y'all want to know something funny? I have been dancing all day to Michael Jackson, You Rock My World. I just cannot stop listening to that song and doing that dance. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, I was just, like, dancing all day. It's so funny. I'm going to listen to it when I'm done. The song is addictive. You have to dance like it. I was doing that all morning upstairs. My mom was wondering what I was doing. And I was like, I was just dancing to You Rock My World. It's so funny. But this color is so pretty, y'all. Very vibrant. The color is very soft on my eye as well. Morphe they do really good with that. And then after this, I'm just going to blend it out. And it turned out amazing, y'all. You really can't go bad with blonde and green. Also, I need a major haircut. So do not judge me, y'all. But I'm going to blend it out. The color blended out very well, y'all. I'm always surprised with some of these colors because I'm like, green is not the best to blend out. But I used a little darker color, like a darker green to blend it out, and it worked perfectly, y'all. So now I'm going to take this color, and I just want to put it in just like in the beginning part of my eye a little bit. Now this is hard, and I feel like this color is going to get everywhere because it's hard. It's the type of color you got to dig into, but be careful because you don't want it to get everywhere, y'all. That's the only bad thing about these. Sometimes they thick, metallic colors. So let me see, what can I do? That is the prettiest color though. Come on, y'all. I love this metallic yellow or greenish yellow. The only problem is that this stuff gets everywhere, but it's still so pretty, so it's definitely worth it. All you have to do is clean it up afterwards. You can put some foundation over it. That's why I do my eyeshadow first because I always waste it, and I'm just brushing it off. But it's so pretty, so vibrant, so worth it. And y'all, it turned out so pretty. And I'm using you hold the blending brush by the end and blend lightly so it all blends together. So I don't know why this liner takes so long, y'all. Actually, I do. The marker just dries up faster and it gets on my nerves. I really gotta find one with the brush in it. Also, I did not know this video was like, this part of the section was going out of focus. I apologize. So now I finished that. I'm gonna go in with my foundation and start the process of this face. Now I use the Maybelline Fit Me 355. That's the color. And I use the Dewy Smooth. They have this and they have the matte one. They have the matte. I use this because it's very smooth on my skin. And it matches really well. Just not a big fan of matte anymore. Like, it just looks too dry for me. Which, you know, it's not a problem if people like that. I just don't. But this eyeshadow color is giving me like so Hollywood. Maybe that's what I should name this one. Because I'm going to glam it up. We're going to add some gold in this, the creases of this eye, y'all, or the corner of the eye, of course. I wanted to do jewels, but I was like, I think that'd be too much. So I ain't doing no jewels. Now I'm blending out my foundation out like I always do. I do a full blend so I cover everything this time. That's what I normally do anyway, but you don't have to. I'm only using my toffee, y'all, because I got to get some more concealer. Always remember, if you mess up, it's okay with your foundation, or if you, I always say that if you have like your foundation too dark, you can always fix it with lighter concealer. That's just a really good tip, because I think people can never find their color. There's always a good way, you know, to mix them, so you don't have to really worry about it. And this is a full coverage, you guys. So I love the LA Girl Cosmetics concealer. It's very full coverage and it's very stable. So this is a full coverage concealer. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You can get it at Ulta. It's only $4.99 or $5. Very cheap, very affordable. You can get them at Walmart, but they're not. It's more expensive as always. That's why I really don't like buying nothing at Walmart, y'all. I definitely recommend going to Ulta. Finished my blending now. I'm about to set my face on my powder, guys. I just use my bronzer. I need to give me some setting powder, but oh my god, what is in my eye? That's what I hate. Ugh, do not touch my eye. I want setting powder, like I want to get some more, but I don't know. I just loose powder gets on my nerves, y'all, so I just do any kind of powder. Now I'm going to go and contour the outsides of my face, only the outside, because I'm not doing this full thing. Y'all know me by now, or should, or you will. I don't do the full contour. Maybe I will one day if I get another contour palette, but I would need the cream contour to do it. I'm just not a fan of, like, I don't have time to be caked up with all this makeup, y'all. That's why I just do the minimum. But because you can always look good with, like, you don't need that much to look good. So now we're gonna go in with, I'm gonna do my under eye color, guys. So I ended up using the darker green, guys. It's the color that I kind of blended with my eyeshadow. I'm using that for under my eye. I wanted to do a shimmer, but that stuff would have got everywhere, and I did my foundation and concealer. Did not feel like risking it, cleaning it up again, because it probably would have took a long time to do, but it was still very, very, very pretty. The green is just a greening, guys. My last name, that's so lame. But this is so pretty, and it just gave me such a Hollywood look. So I was kind of going for toward the end anyway. I swear I belong in Hollywood. Now I'm just adding my blush, y'all, to add some little rosy cheeks. And then I'm going to be adding my gold inner corner highlight. All my makeup palettes got mirrors in them. I feel like they should. Every girl needs a mirror. If you don't have a regular mirror, you should have a mirror up in like a makeup or a compact or something. It's like we need them. Come on. You always gotta touch up something, am I right? Pretty. You can always do as much highlighter as like highlighter you want in the corner of your eyes, so that does not matter. Oh, this is giving me so Hollywood. I love it. Okay, y'all, I'm at the point I'm gonna finish my face off camera. You know, same tools. So I'm about to do my mascara, lashes, lip gloss, because y'all know I be wearing lip gloss. I need to work on the lipstick. I'm just not a big lipstick person. And I will see you guys when the look is finished. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. I had to bring out the all black with the gold. I really feel, since I've been going, after I said I feel like I'm in Hollywood, I'm kind of going for like a good, like a film writer movie director. You know, they be looking real classy with they all black, y'all. That's what I feel like. My padded blazer. Got this from Boohoo, earrings from Pretty Little Thing, and regular black turtleneck, y'all. I love how this look. It's so cute, so chic, and I can wear this whenever I need to. Fun fact, I'm actually gonna be ordering a whole black jumpsuit onto my pants. Like it's like a turtleneck black. Like I want to find something with that like their gloves already on there, or if I need to buy gloves. But it go like head to toe, well, neck to toe, with the gloves, pants, like it's a full black suit. Cause I want to wear it under this with some combat boots. I think that'd be so cute. And then when I get some really bright blazers, cause I plan on getting this really bright blue one and a bright red one from Pretty Little Thing soon. I want to wear it with the suit. I think it looks so cool and so chic. But y'all, I love this. I need to channel my inner Steve Jobs. I think I'm trying to be like the black version, the black woman version of him, because I'm always thinking, y'all, I just gotta like channel his brain to like make it, because I got so many business ideas I need to like just hop onto it. So I hope you guys love the look. I love it. Come on. I want to thank you guys again for 100 subscribers. It's crazy. I'm brand new to YouTube still. I'm still new. This is like, I'm just not starting, but I got 10 milestones, road to 100, but now I'm road to 200, and I'm excited. Okay, main road to 1,000 first, and then we're gonna 10 milestones. We passed the first ones of 100 subscribers, next to 200. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to record. I'll be so embarrassed if that didn't record, y'all. Oh my god. So this is the look up close. I just love the gold on the inside, and this is all for my Morphe palette. I used 3 different colors, y'all, for that, the greens. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Follow my blog, I am Tatiana. Follow the makeup page, Makeup with Tatiana. Finally getting it, y'all. Oh my god, I'm really about to change my my director look. I swear, not the Hollywood director look. Now I'm gonna go make a movie. I'm finna write a movie, y'all. I want to write a horror movie so bad. Seriously, I'm like the biggest Michael Myers fan, and they ruined it at the end, but I can still make a slasher film. I gotta get onto that. Y'all, time to think. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Cherish your inner Jobs. Inner Steve Jobs.